Hi guys, this is Ted. Hello Ted. I can't get in the picture. Let's see if I can do something here. Can't get the camera far enough away to see everything. That'll be better. Got some cheapo camera rig. This is my little stove outfit. I thought I would show you the setup. It's a pretty neat setup. I like it. Anyway, inside this bag, which is just basically unnecessary but nice to keep it all together, I've got some koozies. Inside the koozie, first one is a cup. This is anodized aluminum inside of a koozie. As you can see, nice. And I may cook on that. Anyway, for now I'll set it aside. Then I've got another koozie with a Stanley water bottle. It's kind of a multiple bottle. Inside this koozie is a basic, just down before the wind's blowing a little, it's a basic wood stove, and I'll take it over here. This starts up so, and I have a big piece of carbon felt as the base for the stove. Now, this stove is one I've shown before. It's basically held together by a couple of paper clips, as many as you want to use. In my case, two. One at the top, and one at the bottom. These allow you to adjust the size to whatever's comfortable for you. Now they fit on this spot, put the stove down, and I do have a grill to go on top of it. So I think what I'm going to do is go over here and start this stove. Maybe I'll stand up and take a better picture of it if I can get it here. This is the stove. It's a piece of carbon felt. Stove fits on top so that the ground and nothing below will even feel the heat. That's my plan anyway. I've got my Stanley pot with water. All this wraps around that, and that fits in here, which is a koozie for the Stanley bottle. And what I was going to do is move it over to the grill, because they want you to use their grills in the park, just to see how she works. So I'm going to do that now. I'll get back with you. Let me come over here and show you the fire as it's first lit. Try to get the sun behind me so you can see. I used a cotton pad with some Vaseline and some wax on it. So you can see that it's over the carbon felt material. It's doing good, and it's pretty windy out here, so this thing is breaking the wind for the stove, allowing it to really start up. I'm going to cut off again and get back with you later. Back for an update. I blew on the fire a little bit. Came back with a little flame on it. Pretty neat how that little X works with it by itself, or it'll work with wood fires. But with this stove, it keeps the heat. If you notice how the heat is, it's staying in the middle of the stove, and it's very little smoke, even though it's damp wood. Slight smoke. But blowing in it, got it to relight. And putting out enough heat to really heat up that rice. I think the rice is pretty much done at this point. Yeah, it's boiling again. And I did add a slight bit of water and the Vienna sausage to heat them up. So I should have a nice hot meal, and it should be done by now, I would think. I'm gonna let it sit here a little bit. Hopefully I'm not gonna burn it. See, that's not a big fire. It's a little fire. Just at the bottom of the stove, sitting on the carbon felt. There's plenty of air coming in through the holes I drilled, so I think that'll work. And these little metal clips made of, I guess they're steel because they're magnetic, but they don't melt like this thing did. Maybe because they're heat sinking with the titanium. But they seem to be holding up pretty good. See? It's working. The stove gets pretty dirty just sitting on here. But all I found I have to do is just wipe it off in the grass. And the soot comes right off. I'll try it again this time and see. Check out this food. Steaming. Yeah, those sausages are about to pop. I think it's hot enough. Well, this is Ted. I think this will be maybe the final shot of this thing today. Meanwhile, beautiful lake, wonderful breeze out here. You can see these things blowing in the breeze. Feels great, and the water's blowing. Pretty nice, I have to say. I saw one fish jump while I was standing up here. So there's fish in here, they're just hard to catch, boy. I mean, hard to catch. Till next time, this is Ted out. Well, if nothing else I get out of this, I get to eat the rice, and it's not burnt. Ooh. It's hotter than heck. I don't think I need a koozie anymore. I'll take it out of the koozie. It's so hot I need it to cool. Man, that thing's hot, baby. There we go. Pretty good. I'll show it to you. I think you can see it. I'm not sure. See? Yeah. Two spiders on me while I'm sitting here. Dang. That's it. I'm out.